Look at, they're all up, sitting up there relaxing.
Hi. What's in there?
Nothing. It's hiding underneath, I think. It's in that hole.
What's that in it?
Uh-oh, look at the goats. They're going to eat our lunch. Say, goats, no, please don't eat our lunch.
Yeah. You want to eat your dog? You want to eat? Hello. I like him.
I like him too. Let's go this way. There's more animals this way. Bye-bye, goats. Wait, which one is your favorite one? I like that one way up there.
I like that one, the white one.
You like the white one the best?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have to do pee-pees? Oh no. What's in there? Oh no. Look. What is it? Alligators. Scary.
It sounds like stinky on my nose.
Something so stinky on your nose? Yeah, my nose too. Let's go look at the chickens. Or the hens? I guess they're hens. Let's look. Let's see, where are they? There they are. They're all inside. Hello.
Chicken.
Look, come this way.